awakening. Stunning health recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation. Paramahamsa Nityananda, Nityananda Dhyanapita, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact
0802 727 9999.
Email ia@nityananda.org.
नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today, as part of the Ganesha Brahmotsavam, Ganapati is gracing us on the golden elephant vehicle. 9th day of Ganesha Brahmotsavam. Tomorrow we have Ganesh Chaturthi. Let's move to the Nitya Satsang. Today I will expand on enriching. Life of a Shiva Bhakta should be centered on enriching like Shiva. Please listen, come to the space of listening. Mahadeva is embodiment of enriching. Continuously enriching the world, supporting the world, carrying the space for the world to exist, rejuvenating the world. As I described earlier, Ganapati is embodiment of completion with all impossibilities, or the ideas of impossible. Ganapati stands for completion with all the vignas. Brahma stands for creation just through the Saraswati who resides in his tongue, the power of Saraswati. I bow down to that Saraswati who resides in my tongue. Saraswati is embodiment of the knowledge. Brahma is embodiment of creating through the knowledge. And Vishnu is the embodiment of sustaining a vast, beautiful, powerful space in which everything is happening. Vishnu means all pervasiveness. Vishwa is the all pervasiveness. Embodiment where everything happens. Mahadeva, Shiva is the embodiment of enriching. Please understand. Whenever you are stuck, you want to proceed further in your life, take up enriching as a lifestyle, you will have a breakthrough. I really tell you. If you are stuck in your business, if you are stuck in your career, if you are stuck in your health, if you are stuck in your relationships, understand, I am giving you the solution. Just decide to gather few youth in your village, in your town, clean the common places like a road or a temple or a school or a water body. I tell you, I am talking with logic, integrity, authenticity, responsibility. You will have a breakthrough. Please understand, I am responsible for what I am uttering. Just gather a few people, inspire them, clean the water body of your village. You will have health. I am not talking in the language of middle class morality. No. I am not talking in the language of middle class values. Don't think. I am not talking like service organization's head. No. I am talking spiritual truth. Spiritual technique. Please understand, when a service organization says, gather, serve, clean, help, their context is different. When I say, gather few youth, clean the common places like a road, temple, school, water body, I mean different context. When you take up this kind of work, the amount of enriching supposed to happen within you, outside you, unleashes a new Kundalini energy in you, new thinking in you, new awakening in you, new space in you. I tell you, you will have a breakthrough. Anyway, wherever you want breakthrough in your life, gather as a group, enrich yourself and others through some action. Why Jnana Sambandar, Sri Krishna Chaitanya, all of them are able to do so much? Why do you think Jnana Sambandar and Chaitanya were all able to enrich so many millions of people? They taught the science of helping yourself and others. See, Jnana Sambandar, in his biography, it is clearly recorded, 16,000 lay disciples and 10,000 sannyasis walked with him Can you imagine? 16,000 lay disciples, 10,000 sannyasis, means 26,000 people together, walking with him, living with him. Is it a joke? Just 1,600 people, the amount of problems they create, amount of torture they give it to each other and to the Sangha. $16,000. How did he inspire? How did he handle? I tell you, this enriching people in every village about the spiritual truths, especially the Gnanasambandar's method of Adi Padi Annamalai Kaithola, Odi Pom Namadu Ulla Vinaigale, means the sing and dance, worshipping Arunachaleshwara, all the incompletions in your inner space will disappear. All the incompletions in your inner space will disappear. I can tell you, it is such powerful process. Gnanasambandar and Chaitanya, the way they spread this, each village, people gathering, enriching each other and themselves, and doing some collective activities. Organizing and enriching like Gnanasambandar with powerful miracles, expressing, radiating the power and energy of Mahadeva, and volunteering, working like Tirunavukar sir, living blissfully like Sundarar, and the devotion, commitment like Manikkavasagar, the stability like Manikkavasagar. All this happens in you just by enriching. Please understand. All the viewers, I request all of you, just gather few youth in your local village, conduct kirtans. Sankirtan means singing and dancing the name of the Lord, and take up some common enriching projects like cleaning up the local temple, cleaning up the local water body, cleaning up the local school, understand, it will revolutionize the whole world. It will revolutionize your world. When I say whole world, I mean your world. Suddenly it will change the energy of your being, ability of your being, the way you think, the way you live, the way you talk, the way you behave will be infused with so much of responsibility. everywhere. I want Dhyanapeetham volunteers, organizers to do this. Start enriching people in your area. Conduct kirtans, sankirtanam, singing and dancing in the name of the Lord, singing the name of the Lord, celebrating His presence in your life, celebrating the happening of an incarnation in your life. Understand, when an incarnation happens in your space, when an incarnation happens in your space, you become incarnation. When you know the why of the incarnation is why of you, you become incarnation. The why of the incarnation is why of you, you become incarnation. The biggest crime, incompletion, demon, devil a human being can have is withdrawal symptom. Means, why should I participate in the life? I can just exist. I never wanted a power, post. Not wanting power and post out of incompletion is nothing but suicidal. Listen. Not wanting power and post due to incompletions is nothing but suicidal. This suicidal tendency, suicide is of different levels. One, the physical suicide, just by drinking poison or hanging yourself or by putting yourself on in front of a running train or getting married. Once for all you die. These are all the immediate suicide methods. There are some other psychological suicide methods where you just withdraw due to your intense hatred towards some person or a system or life itself. This is the most powerful demon, destruction in the life. I tell you, it is rooted in self-doubt. Rooted in self-doubt. Completing with the incompletion of the withdrawal is Ganesha. Completing from the withdrawal, symptoms which is established, which is rooted in the incompletion of self-doubt, is Ganesha. गणेश भगवान सभी असंभवता के विचारों सभी विघ्नों के साथ पूर्णत्व की प्रतीक है। सरस्वती जी ज्ञान की प्रतीक है। ब्रह्म जी ज्ञान द्वारा सृष्टि के प्रतीक है। विष्णु जी सभी सृष्टि के रक्षण के प्रतीक है, महादेव जी लाभान्वित करने के प्रतीक है। जब 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 आप जीवन में फंसे हुए है और भ्रम में है कि आप कैसे आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, तो उसका सीधा समाधान है लाभान्वित करना। आपको आपकी समस्या का समाधान मिल जाएगा। एक उदाहरण रूप अपने गांव के कुछ युवाओं को एकत्रित कीजिए और अपने गांवों के तालाब या साधक या मंदिर को साफ कीजिए। उस लाभान्वित करने से जो कुंडलिनी शक्ति का आप में जागरण होता है, उसे आप कोई भी समस्या से बाहर आ जाएंगे। ज्ञान संबंधर जी अपने पूरे जीवन में दूसरों को लाभान्वित करते रहे। उनके साथ 16,000 लोग और 10,000 सन्यासी चल रहे थे। उनका संदेश था, गाते और नाचते हुए अरुणाचल भगवान का गुणगान गाइए और अपनी सभी अपूर्णताओं को दूर कीजिए। इसके लिए उन्होंने कितनी ही चमत्कारों का प्रदर्शन किया। केवल लाभान्वित करने से आप में स्थिरता, भक्ति, समर्पण, ये सभी गुण आ जाएंगे। सभी गांवों में कीर्तन, भजन और संकीर्तन होने चाहिए। ये समझिए, ये पूरे विश्व को परिवर्तित कर देगा और आपके स्वयं के विश्व को परिवर्तित कर देगा। नित्यानंद ज्ञानपीठम के सभी भक्तों से मैं चाहता हूं कि आप गांव-गांव में भजन और संकीर्तन करें और लोगों को लाभान्वित करें। सबसे बड़ा राक्षस, बड़ी अपूर्णता यह है, जब आप जीवन से पीछे हटना चाहते हैं, जिम्मेदारी और अधिकार से भागना चाहते हैं, ये आत्महत्या की बराबर है। Understand, I really wanted this to start happening everywhere. All over the world, get ready. From Vijayadashami we will start this. From Vijayadashami to Jayanti, we will have this period, season of enriching. The month in which I am born, Margazhi, all over India, still the practice is there. Morning people will get down to the road, whether Vaishnavites or Shaivites or Shaktas, all traditions, they get down the road early morning, sing and dance in the name of the Lord, enrich, awaken everyone. We will celebrate this season as awakening season. The month I am born, Margazhi, Krishna says in the Gita, Masanam Margasirshogam. Lot of beautiful things, like I can't call it as coincidence, because he says Masanam Margasirshogam, Siddhanam Kapilo Munihi, our Akada. Among the trees I am the banyan tree. Understand that Margazhi month is the Brahma Muhurta for Devatas. Because for Devatas, 1 year, human year is a 1 day. That's a Brahma Muhurta, the season for awakening, waking up. the time Devatas wake up, we should also awaken ourselves. We should also get ready to wake up. Masanam Margashirshoham. So from Vijayadasami to Margazhi, Chitra Nakshatra till my Jayanti, we will have this awakening Rutu, awakening season. Please understand. Whoever wants to take up this lifestyle, which I am requesting everyone should take up, all the centers, all the visitors, all the viewers who want to take up this in your village, in your town, please send an email. We will support you with whatever is required for this program. Send email to programs@nityananda.org. I wanted at least in 1008 places this enriching to happen, where some of you take up the responsibility of gathering the local people, morning kirtan, and enriching each other and enriching the area you are living by conducting some common activity. Enrich. For the better world. Enrich for the better world. In your area, clean up a common place, water body, a school, or a temple. In every village, start doing this. Do the Sankirtana. Every morning, go round in the local village, in your area, doing Kirtana. I tell you, it will bring new energy out of you, new inspiration out of you. You will have a breakthrough. You will have breakthrough. Whether you are stuck in the relationships or psychologically in some incompletions or health or incompletions related to career and profession, do this. Do this enriching. I am talking to you as a spiritual master. I tell you, when you gather and start working, so much of new energy is released in you. And I am also coming up with the next project. Be in India as a backpacker for 1 year. Be in India as a backpacker for 1 year. I wanted to revive this lifestyle of Parivrajaka. Even now, Mahanirvani Akkada, our Akkada, we do it. Every Kumbh Mela, we initiate thousands of youngsters into sannyas and let them go round the country and enrich the world. When they come back after the next Kumbh Mela, when they come back next Kumbh Mela, means after 2.5 to 3 years, then they become part of the Akhada. They take up the responsibilities like Kotari, Tanedar, Mahant, Sri Mahant. All these responsibilities they take up. I also wanted, O India, O Indian youth, take up. And I call people from all over the world, all practicing Hindus, take up at least this 1 year, be a backpacker in India, traveling to all the 12 Jyotirlingas and Shakti Pitas. I tell you, it will do so much of enriching. So much of enriching. I have done this in my life. So I sincerely recommend all the youth should take up this at least for 1 year. You can even go as a group, 4 or 5 people, nothing wrong. It doesn't need to be just 1 person or 2 person. Go as a group. Do like Padayatra. It is possible. You can do as Padayatra or traveling, anything, but spend an year. At least 1 year as a backpacker in India. I really feel even my sannyasis should go. At least for an year. Only then they will have the new energy of enriching. See, when you are stuck and unable to get out, you should take up this kind of a new activity to awaken the space of enriching in you. I know Vivekananda wanted an organization for sadhus so that they will collectively do a lot of good to society. One side, Mahanirvani Akhada wants sadhus to reach out, enrich, so that they keep themselves alive and they go on enriching the society. The other side, organizations created by Vivekananda, the masters like Vivekananda, they said, no, let them all stay together in one place and contribute to society as an organization. I feel both should be mixed in the right proportion for the modern day. If you are just staying in one campus forever, you are also stuck and bored, tired. If you are continuously only wandering, you also waste your life eternally in restlessness. So once in a while, going around, Padayatra, Yatras, that should be the right proportion. Right proportion and the right way of living. O youth of India, practicing Hindus all over the world, I give you a clarion call. Live at least 1 year as a backpacker in India. Traveling to all over, all the Jyotirlingas and all the Shakti Pitas. And I also commit to revive this lifestyle of Parivrajaka, give the taste of this Parivrajaka lifestyle to the next generation youth. I'll create a website and helpline. I'll establish a website and a helpline. Whenever you need help related to health reason or any other help, we will see to it that you receive that help. People reach out to you through my organization and the Sangha, through our devotees. We will support you during your Parivrajaka. Providing the basic facilities for you to go around and enrich. Each sannyasi should take up these three as a commitment. One, being acharya, ability to enrich everyone with the great truths of Vedic tradition, and being a Parivrajaka who has traversed length and breadth of the country, and being a Paramahamsa, remaining in the highest space, untouched by any incompletions or impurities, being always in the space of completion. So from Vijayadashami to my Jayanti, we will be having awakening season, awakening Rutu, where in each village the local devotees, disciples will gather, enrich people, do kirtans and conduct the satsangs, enriching everyone with the four tattvas and helping the local community for the better world, cleaning the temples, schools, water bodies. And from my Jayanti day till next Jayanti, 1 full year, I'll also initiate people for Parivrajaka. Be a backpacker for 1 year. Whoever wants to be initiated, please be here on my Jayanti day. Date 27th December of this year. I am very sincere, authentic. I wanted to initiate at least 1,008 people into Parivrajaka. And come back next Jayanti to become part of the Sangha. After being polished, shining like a diamond, just like Mahanirvani Akada, just like our Akada, we should encourage, help, awaken people to do this Parivrajaka. Be a backpacker for 1 year in India, traveling length and breadth of India, going to all the Jyotirlingas and Shakti Pitas. I tell you, you will not be stuck up. You will not be stuck in your life. This kind of activities awaken so much of Kundalini in you, intelligence in you. it brings a new energy to live the morality in you. New energy to live the four tattvas in you. So this Vijayadashami, October 13th to 27th December, we will have Awakening Rutu, the season of awakening. With this, I give a clarion call to all the youth of India and practicing Hindus all over the world. Prepare yourself for the 1 year Parivrajaka Yatra to taste the Vedic tradition, spirituality. Please understand, the Indian Indian elite is completely disconnected from Bharat, India. The Indian elite lives in such a disconnected, rootless space. That is why they constantly threaten the mainstream Hinduism. They constantly deny, destroy, depress anything related to mainstream Hinduism, and they do not want to leave even a little bit of anything related to Hinduism, because they live such a rootless. Because they live rootless, they become ruthless. Understand? It is our responsibility to show the Indian elite their roots and tell them, don't be ruthless. With this, I'll move to the next segment of the morning satsang, Nirahara Samyama. Today is the 18th Nirahara Samyama, second level, fourth day. अब हम आज के निराहार संयम ध्यान में प्रवेश करेंगे। सीधी तरह से बैठ जाइए और चेतना स्थिति के साथ कल्पना कीजिए कि आप बिड़ती वटवृक्ष बन गए हैं। इस कल्पना के साथ आप अपने दोनों नासिकाओं और मुख के द्वारा सांस अंदर लीजिए। जितनी देर आप अपने सांस को अंदर बांध कर रख सकते हैं, उतनी देर आप अपने अंदर सांस को बांध कर रखिए। जब आप अपने सांस को और बांध कर नहीं रख पा रहे हैं, तब आप अपने मुंह बंद रखकर अपने सांस को अपनी दोनों नासिकाओं द्वारा धीरे से छोड़ दीजिए। आप में अपनी पूरे संपूर्ण श्रद्धा, उत्तरदायित्व और लाभान्वित करने का के 4 तत्वों के साथ आशीर्वाद देता हूं कि आप सबकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति जागृत हो जाए और आप सब अपनी जीव ऊर्जा को सीधे आकाश और वायु से उत्पन्न करें। अब क्रिया आरंभ कीजिए और इस क्रिया को लगातार 21 मिनट तक कीजिए। With this, I move to the next segment of the morning satsang, Nirahara Samyama. All the participants, please sit straight. Close your eyes. Inhale through both the nostrils and the mouth simultaneously. Hold as long as you can. Exhale through both the nostrils. With this, cognize you have become Bididi Kalpavriksha. Do this for next 21 minutes. I bless you all. Let you all experience the Kundalini awakening and live health, bliss and enlightenment by creating the energy required directly from the space. Namah Shivaya. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.